Hello everyone, welcome to Prasa Academy. Today we are going to solve one more problem of contract costing. Okay, so the question is like this: Construction Limited is engaged in two contracts A and B during the year. Following particulars are obtained at the year end 31st March 2016. Date of commencement, they have given the dates. There are two products. Contract price they have given, material issued, material returned, materials on site on 31st March 2016, direct labor, direct expense, establishment expense, plant installed at cost, value of plant on 31st March 2016, cost of contract not certified, value of contract certified, cash received from contractee, architect fees. So these are the information, very common information which should be there in the contract costing questions are provided. Okay, during the year, material amounting to rupees 9,000 have been transferred from contract A to contract B. You are required to prepare. What we are required to prepare is the first one, as usual, contract account. Contract account. Second one, contractees account. Contractees account. Then extract from balance sheet showing clearly calculation of work in progress. These are the things which are informed us to check or to do. Okay, so we'll start with the construction account, construction limited's contract account. Okay, limited contract account. We know what are the details should be there here. Particulars, amount, so two columns, one is inner column, one is outer column. Particulars, amount. Okay, so let's give a table format to it. Yes, so we are good to start. Merge and center. Same goes here as well. Sent. Okay, so good to start. As usual, this is contract account of A. Okay, that is very important because we have to differentiate two materials. Issued. How much? Material issued. How much they have given? We'll just check. For A, material issued, it is 1,60,000. Two, direct labor. To direct labor, how much is direct labor? 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Next, to direct expense as usual. Direct expense. How much they have given? Direct expense 66,000. Then to establishment expense. Okay, how much? 25,000. Look at the question once. Yes, 25,000. Next, to plant installed. To plant installed. How much plant is installed? What is the cost for plant installment? 80,000. Right, it is 80,000. 80,000. Then to architect fees. To architect fees. How much is architect fees? 2,000. Any other expenses we have? Do we have any other expense? Cash received from contract is an expense? No. Value of contract certified? No. All those things will come in the credit side. Okay, value of plant. Okay, all these things are not considered here. We will consider at the credit side. Okay, so yes, what I need to type it here: by materials returned. We have some materials which we have returned to the back to maybe the godown or to the actual seller. We have sent it back. So how much it is? It is 4,000. Next, buy material on site. I will just zoom all these things. I know. Yes, this much is enough, I guess. Buy materials returned. Yes, this much is enough. Buy materials returned. That is 4,000. Next, buy materials on site. Materials on site. How much it is? We'll just check. Materials on site. See, materials on site on 31st March 2016, it is 22,000. How much we will keep it here? Of course, 22,000. Buy plant at site. Plant at site. How much? That is also there. Yeah. Value of plant on 31st March 2016 is 65,000. Okay, directly consider that. Okay, so then comes a very important working, that is by work in progress account. I will just select that, Control B to bold that. Okay, so in that, what are the information I need to consider? Work certified. Work certified and work uncertified both comes under work in progress. Okay, so how much is work certified? Value of contract certified 4,20,000. Cost of contract not certified 23,000. Both I will consider here. How much? Work certified is 4,20,000 and work uncertified is 23,000. Put together it will be 4,43,000 at the outer column. Okay, that is very important. Next, what else we have? What else we have? Material contract price, material issued, material returned, material on site, direct labor, direct expense, establishment expense, plant installed, value of plant, cost of contract not certified, everything we have considered, architect fee also. There is a small information which is given here. During the year, material amounting to rupees 9,000 have been transferred from contract A to contract B. Okay, so there is some transfer which has happened. So from contract A to contract B. What I will do, I will just consider by contract B account. I have to send it to contract B. Why? Because it is a simple transfer of material from contract A to contract B. That is the reason I am doing. Both the contracts are from the same company, that is Construction Limited. They can shift, but should be entered in the books of account. That is very important. So that's all. Any other information given in the additional information? No other information given. I'll just do the total. How much it will be? 5,43,000. Here also 5,43,000. So how much will be my notional profit now? Minus, open the bracket, $60,000. This will be to notional profit carried down, and here of course by notional profit brought down. How much? 60,000. Okay, so of course no other information with regard to the completion is given. Remember 4,20,000 and 23,000, 4,43,000. Cash received information, is it given? It's a question. Let's see in the question. Yes, cash received from the contractee is 3,78,000. That information has been given here. Overall 4,43,000 is the, let's consider the assumed cost. In that 4,20,000 is over. Once again it comes under the bracket of 50 to 90%. So calculation of actual profit is equal to notional profit multiplied by 2/3 multiplied by cash received divided by work certified. Cash received divided by work certified. So that is equal to notional profit is how much? Notional profit is 60,000, right? So is equal to, open the bracket, 60,000 into 2/3 into cash received is how much? Cash received is 3,78,000 divided by work certified is 4,20,000. Close the bracket. 36,000 is the answer. This is our actual profit. So come back. By notional profit brought down. I will just bold this so that we can understand the difference. Yes. So actual profit will go to P&L account. How much it will go? How much amount will go there? 36,000. So we don't have any other information here, so it will be 16,000 and 60,000. Okay, so is equal to 60,000 less 36,000 is 24,000. This is my 2 work in progress account in bracket profit in reserve. Okay, very important. So this is one more calculation. This calculation is over, and same thing we have to do it now for contract B. To do it for contract B. Okay, just a second. Let me delete this so that yes, simple. Okay, let me copy everything again, but there will be slight changes. There will be no transfer, but there is a receiving end, right? So that is very important. These things becomes very easy in Excel, but while you are calculating manually, of course we need to be very careful whether we have considered all amount or not, everything, right? Material issued here will be 60,000, then labor will be 42,000. I'm just taking directly from the question, of course, hoping that all of you have written the question already, and you are looking into the question directly, and with that assumption I'm marking everything here. Direct expenses 35,000, then you have establishment expense as usual, whatever is there in contract A, the same thing is there here also, 7,000. Then you have 2 plant installed, same information everywhere, right? Then architect fee is 1,000. One additional information what we have, that is which was transferred there is received here, right? So that information is here, so it will be to contract A account. This information is additional here. Okay, this information is additional. How much it is? 9,000 we have received. Am I right? Yes. Okay. Then comes material returned. Material returned is here in this case it is 2,000. As I am telling you, I'm just assuming that you people have already written the question. Okay, because if I go back to the question again, it will be difficult. It is a time consuming. What I mean difficult here, work certified is 1,35,000 and work uncertified is 10,000. So overall it will be 1,45,000. Okay, we'll just check how much is a notional profit, or do we have notional profit or not. That is also very important, because every account may not be possible that you have a profit. You may incur losses as well. Okay, so in that case I will just check, because I feel that this side informations are more. Let me check. It is 2,24,000. Let me for namesake, let me check how much is here, so that it will be easy for me to differentiate. Yes. How much? No, it is 2,19,000. So we are incurring loss here. 24,000. Okay. 2,24,000 minus, open the bracket. This helps you to check the Excel functions as well, students. Okay, small functions, very primary functions which you should know. 5,000. So 5,000 is a loss. So what will happen here? Notional loss? No. By P and L account directly you will send it here. Why? You call it as loss. Do we have to calculate any actual profit? No, nothing, because it is still under process. This is not the final loss which has incurred. This is notional. Maybe this may be the loss as of now. We don't know whether it will convert into profit later. It may not, but as of now we can say that we are under loss in contract B, and in contract A we are in profit. Okay, so contractee's account, contractee A's account, there are two, right? So that is one. Particulars, amount, particulars, and we'll do one thing for the purpose of me retaining the format. Amount and amount. What will come here? Particular. What will come here? By cash account. How much cash we have received? Right? By cash account. How much cash has been received here? In this case, 3,78,000. Any other information given? No. 3,78,000 will come here again, and here also 3,78,000. Yes, 3,78,000. This is to balance carried down. To balance carried down. Okay, so this is how contract E's A account is over. In the same pattern, we have to do contract B's account as well. Okay. Yes. Contractee B's account. As we have done work in progress, the working of work in progress in balance sheet, in all other problems, I just want you to check how to do that once, and I want you to do that. I want you to do that work in progress in balance sheet. Okay, yeah. So how much cash has been received here? 1,25,000. Yes, 1,25,000. Of course, 1,25,000. That's all. Okay, so this is all about this particular problem is concerned. Work in progress, as I said, I want you to try that once, because in the previous problem also we have done work in progress. Once again, very easy how to show this work in progress in the balance sheet. So I want you to do that, and thank you. I'm signing off after completing this particular problem. Thank you.